Is Alexa's random beeping driving you nuts? It's annoying when you're trying to relax and your smart speaker won't stay quiet. Don't worry. With a few simple steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve these issues, ensuring your Alexa works smoothly. First, check for routines that may be running at weird times. Sometimes routines can be set accidentally or at inconvenient times, causing unexpected beeps. Open the Alexa app, go to More, then Routines, and delete or fix any you don't recognize. Make sure to review each routine carefully to ensure it's set up correctly. Next up, Alexa could be mishearing you. Background noise or similar-sounding words can trigger Alexa unintentionally. Change the wake word by heading to Devices, Echo and Alexa, select your device and choose a new word like Echo or Computer. This can help reduce accidental activations. Does Alexa beep and show a yellow light? That's a notification. Notifications can be for messages, reminders, or updates. In the Alexa app, go to More, then Settings, then Notifications, and either turn off notifications or silence the sound. This will prevent Alexa from beeping every time there's a new notification. Drop-ins, calls, and announcements can also make Alexa beep. These features are useful but can be disruptive if not managed properly. Just say, "Alexa, turn on Do Not Disturb," or go into the app and disable communication features. This will stop Alexa from beeping due to incoming calls or announcements. Still beeping? Check your Wi-Fi, hit the mute button on your Echo, or disconnect Bluetooth by saying, "Alexa, disconnect Bluetooth." Sometimes connectivity issues can cause random beeps. If Alexa beeps instead of talking, you might have brief mode on. Brief mode makes Alexa respond with beeps instead of full responses. Turn it off in Settings, then Voice Responses. This will ensure Alexa speaks instead of beeping. With these quick fixes, you can stop the random beeping and enjoy your Alexa again. Like and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay tuned for more helpful advice to make your tech life easier and more enjoyable.